Welcome back everyone for a top tip. Christmas, holidays, all around the corner, it's about to kick off. Just remember gas safety. Check your gas bottles and rubber seals, that kind of stuff, for perished rubbers, and replace them even if you think they're questionable. I'm going to show you right here on how we do a O-ring replacement. Alright, so we on inspection of our gas line here, found that the O-ring is completely perished. We haven't used this for about a year because we've been connected up to the caravan, so it just fell off. Now, people have an ability to sort of have a she'll be right attitude, but in this case, she won't be right. You may get it working yourself, but then somebody else might come along and use it and bump it and have a gas leak and not know, and then suddenly have a gas fire. So what we went is got a couple of these Gasmate O-rings replacements. Come in generally a pack of 2. Like anything, if you want to save $1, it's probably best you sort of pre-purchase rather than trying to sort of go down to any store and find them. But like anything, they're reasonable priced, and hopefully we should just be able to slide it straight over this one and make a new connection. So just roll it on, and that is a new O-ring. There's the old one, all perished and trashed, and yeah, we can just plug it back in. Obviously gas is anti-clockwise, so you don't want to be sitting there trying to screw it on and not do anything, because you're going backwards. Being gas fittings are opposite to screws, so doing it up is anti-clockwise, not clockwise. It's a way in which they can determine what's water and gas, I guess. So that's it. That's a new O-ring fitted to your gas bottle. Okay guys, hope you checked that video out on replacing the O-ring. Have a great Christmas, New Year's, enjoy your time away. See you in the new year.